In this quick video guide, we're going to test Whisk AI generator for free, which is apparently a free web app where we can generate images using AI. So we can find this by searching Whisk AI, and we have a Google blog article here. So we're going to go directly down there on the Whisk AI generator with free online. Now, the only problem here is that I think I have a low credit to use to spend on one time, but I'm just going to give you a quick overview and we're going to test the examples and perhaps we're going to create more videos later on. So here is where I insert the prompt. Well, it basically works as others AI that we can find in the web. So here we can use a structure image and we can use a style image. So the structure image is the one that is going to give the shape to what we are creating. The style is what we want to create. If it's going to be an illustration or a photographic image, like a really realistic photo. And this is the first example here. So it's a kind of a mashup, a mix-up between a painting and a realistic image. So the painting is the structure and the style is given by the picture on the right. So this is an example that is given you by the web app to make you understand how it's working. Now I can play a little bit with the strength. So I'm gonna start to spend credits, I guess, by generating new images starting from these that are given by the app. So that's our first try, and this is what it generated. Now I can upload here any image, so it could be like a cartoon or a Pixar image style, or something more realistic, less realistic. You can copy and paste. You can get from the webcam. You can do this with yourself if you want. You can upload your picture and a picture of a painting or of a famous character and so on. So I just changed here the style strength and the depth strength of the structure image, and it just changed the image as you can see. So I guess this is going to be my second try. Now I can make this full screen. I can download it and I can right click and save it. I have all the buttons on the top right. So I will save this. And if you see the little buttons are right here. And the third one is for sharing. And down here you have other examples. So this is an image, a realistic image turned into a painting. So it's kind of the other way around of the previous one. And also you can type some words, some prompts, and the text will go and affect also the final result. So you can see these other examples, they also contain words explaining what we want to create. So I get all my, these are every time I click on generate, even if I'm doing a test using the example images, I'm like spending some credits. So um, I think I will need to do another video to do something customized, but this is how everything gets started. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a really simple interface, nothing fancy, nothing distracting. You can also see the full picture of the reference here. If you expand this, you can drag and drop, you can click and upload, and here you can close and open up other references. Here you can just type the text, kind of a description of what you want to create. So I wanted to do something with architecture using my sketch and using reference image, like a rendering, pretty realistic rendering. So all I'm gonna do is type the prompt and then click here, and I will show you the drag and drop. So I can open up the window, click and drag and drop directly, and just there you go. So this is the sketch I want to use. So I want to start with a sketch for the structure, and I want to make this something realistic, like a picture or a realistic rendering. I'm gonna go in my Twinmotion video course here, where I have a lot of images which are not realistic images, but they are being rendered by the engine, which is a render engine, and it's free, open source. Well, not open source, but I guess it's free. And so I'm gonna go, and you can see also the entire course if you want in the channel. So I'm gonna get an image. Let me go here in the renderings. So okay, so let's say I want to use this as a style. So I'm gonna upload this as well. And once I have everything, so text, the strength, etc., I can generate. But apparently I've finished my credits, so I cannot go forward. This is the only thing I managed to do at the moment, which is fine because I just wanted to experiment. I wanted to start, and examples are pretty useful if you want to start to experiment. But I guess they are consuming the credits, so I need to try again another day. So subscribe to stay updated and join the channel if you want also to support us. And go and check out the video guides on AI, different websites using AI, and also other 3D software, 2D software, illustration, photography, and much more. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.